If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Rocket League, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get back to playing in no time. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your network or restart your router if necessary, as a poor connection can lead to loading problems. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, right-click on Rocket League in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your game client, as developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can resolve deeper issues that may not be fixed by other methods. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue and enjoy your game. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.